if you have slow digestion, if you need to clean out down there, don't take these cleanse products. Don't take these laxative loaded products. Number one, they can be habit forming. Not only are they contain products that actually have been shown to be physically habit forming, but they also become emotionally and habitually habit forming, meaning you start to believe that the only way for you to poop is to take these pills. You take the pills, they're powerful laxatives, you go and you have a bowel movement, and bada bing, bada boom, you're feeling better about yourself, your clothes feel better, your waist is slimmer, and you're like, oh, I take the pills make me poo, and then I feel better. This becomes a habit. It becomes an emotional connection. And then you also have the physical properties of the laxatives. Over time, those are not good for you, especially ones like polyethylene glycol. That one is potentially cancer causing. It has links to cancer. So I would definitely stay away from PEG no matter what. The other more natural versions are still laxative products, and they can still form habit physically, emotionally, and habitually over time. So use them in a pinch if you need to go right away, but don't keep buying these products from these companies thinking that you're somehow losing fat or something. You're not. You're building a habit around your constipation. You're not actually dealing with the root cause. The fastest way, if you want to deal with your root cause of your constipation, is actually to fix why is it slow in the beginning. Now, of course, that is a multimodal property. A multimodal problem. There's a lot of potential issues here, but there's universally, normally, not everybody, not 100%, but maybe 96% of people with constipation also have a condition called low stomach acid. These people do not make enough stomach acid, and stomach acid is one of the triggers, it's one of the timers for pacing of your digestion. If it's low, you're gonna slow down your transit time no matter what you do, no matter what you eat, no matter what's happening for you. So you can support your stomach acid, you can test for it, and then if you do have low stomach acid, you can actually support it, and then you will have more bowel movements, you'll have more spontaneous bowel movements, and it's not habit forming. In fact, it's corrective action. You'll actually be getting more nutrients from any food you eat, and you will also be helping your immune system because you'll be actually killing any stuff that's trying to colonize you that's on your food, which is how it normally works. So in the end of the day, a lot of people with slow motility, with constipation, have low stomach acid. You might be part of the small percentage of people who don't have it, but you should check. It's under $50. You can check it at home. You can figure this out. And barring the fact that you have an active ulcer, it's a very simple test and it's safe. So if you have an active ulcer, don't do the HCL test, but everybody else can try it. I'm Steven, the Healthy Gut Guy, and the best way to deal with constipation and slow motility is to not force it out, but actually fix the speed issue in your stomach. Work on that first. It's going to heal the rest of your body at the same time.